Welcome to my shop. Ako po si Rio, nagagawa po ako ng mga little creation ko. I call it little figures. For this video, closet cosplay ako. Closet cosplay, anything na available sa loob ng cabinet mo. Dahil ang entry natin for today is also a cosplayer. But before that, let me introduce you to the bestseller of my creation. For my keychain product, small head anime eyes. And for display naman, of course, 11 cm. And for bookmark is the start and end. Also, for more cute stuff, pwede nyo rin i-check the baby blue bunny. Yung mga creation niya, makikita nyo na yun sa mga mall. So, if you're interested with her work, you can check her out. For this entry, hindi malamig ang Pasko niya. Our entry is created by Sakrin Yuya. So, she also do cosplay. Wow, yung contact lens nung ako kasi hindi masyadong makapagsuot nun katitinding kulay ng contact lens. Nai-irritate na yung mata ko. So, good job. So, let's start. Gagawin ko for this year. I think 5 entries for drawing turns into figure is enough for me. But I will think of something naman more lively, more fun, promo, and other stuff, workshop, collaboration with other clays, kahit ano. Little by little, I will create something out of it. And also po, nag-a-accept din po ako ng mga resellers. If you're interested in my creation, in cute stuff, you can sell them if you want. Ayun, I can give you a discount. I message mo lang ako sa page ko na